Hi, I'm Michelle from Gardenworks, and today I'm going to show you how to put together a beautiful Hellebore planter for early spring with some lovely accent plants. So what I'm going to start with is my container. I've chosen this beautiful glazed pottery in a beetroot color, which coordinates really nicely with the different accent plants with a touch of burgundy in their leaves. And I'm just going to put my Gardenworks potting mix into the container and get started planting. It was really easy to put this planter together. I started with my lemon lime cypress to give it some height. I used 3 of the Hellebore plants because this winter jewels varieties are so beautiful. I've got the amber gem, the fire and ice, and the rose quartz. They're double flowers and they are just so lovely. Also added in between each of the Hellebore plants Gaultheria. Topped it all off with a little bit of bark mulch, and it's ready to welcome you at your front entrance. Thanks for watching.